How to fix Facebook Reels option not showing. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix Facebook Reels option not showing. So first is what you want to do is to go to your Play Store and then type in Facebook. As you can see, if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that because there's a huge possibility that it's because your Facebook application is not updated. That is why the Reels option is not showing. Now, if it's updated and if it's still not working or you can't still see the Reels option here, as you can see, I have it here because I've already updated my Facebook. And then if it's still not working, there might be a bug on your Facebook. So what you want to do is to go to your settings here, and then open your app, your Facebook application, your app info. And then what next is click on storage usage and just click on the clear data and the clear cache. And basically that is how you fix Facebook Reels option not showing. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.